Did you know there's a planet out there made entirely of diamonds? Or that your brain produces enough electricity to light up a bulb? Today, we're diving into 10 insane facts that sound fake, but are 100% real. Get ready to have your mind blown. 1. A diamond planet exists. 55 Cancri E. Let's start big. Way out in the universe, about 40 light years from Earth, is a planet called 55 Cancri E. It's about twice the size of Earth and orbits so close to its star, it completes a year in just 18 hours. But what makes it insane? Scientists believe this planet may be covered in diamond due to its carbon-rich makeup and extreme pressure. That's right, a whole planet shimmering with diamonds. Space flex much? 2. Your brain can power a light bulb. The human brain is more than just the control center for thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's also an electrical powerhouse. It generates about 20 watts of electricity, which is roughly the amount needed to power a small light bulb. This electrical energy comes from the brain's neurons, which are constantly firing and communicating with one another through electrical impulses. These signals are how your brain sends messages to different parts of the body. So when you're solving problems, learning something new, or even just thinking hard, your brain is actively using and producing energy. That's why the line, "your brain is literally lit," is both clever and accurate. Because it's not just figuratively on fire with ideas, it's literally producing electricity all the time. 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are truly extraordinary creatures with a unique biological design. Unlike humans, they have 3 hearts. 2 of these pump blood to the gills for oxygenation, while the third, called the systemic heart, pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Interestingly, when an octopus swims, its main heart temporarily stops beating, which makes swimming energy intensive and explains why octopuses prefer crawling. Their ability to manage such a complex system, combined with their intelligence and flexibility, makes them stand out as nature's ultimate multitaskers. From solving puzzles to squeezing through tiny spaces, octopuses continue to amaze scientists and ocean lovers alike. 4. Bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Here's a fruit plot twist. Bananas are true berries, but strawberries aren't. Why? A true berry grows from a single ovary and has seeds on the inside. Bananas tick those boxes. Strawberries? Their seeds are on the outside, which disqualifies them. Science doesn't care about your smoothie aesthetics. 5. A cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. A fluffy cumulus cloud may appear light and airy, but in reality it can weigh over 1.1 million pounds, roughly the weight of 100 elephants floating above you. This surprising weight comes from the millions of tiny water droplets that make up the cloud. Even though it's incredibly heavy, the cloud stays suspended in the sky because warm air currents rising from the earth help keep those droplets aloft. It's a fascinating reminder that even the sky can carry a massive load without us noticing. 6. You can hear space. Sort of space is silent, or so we thought. In reality, planets and stars emit radio waves that can be turned into eerie, haunting sounds using special instruments. NASA has captured these, and when played back, space sounds like the soundtrack to a sci-fi horror movie. It's both beautiful and chilling. 7. There's a naturally pink lake in Australia. In Western Australia, there's a stunning natural wonder that looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, Lake Hillier. What makes it so unique is its vibrant pink color caused by a special type of algae and halophilic, salt-loving bacteria that thrive in its salty waters. Even more surprising, the water remains pink even when removed from the lake and bottled. It's a surreal and beautiful sight, often described as nature's version of cotton candy. Sweet-looking, but all natural and scientifically fascinating. 8. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. This fact is truly mind-blowing. Under a specific combination of temperature and pressure, water can boil and freeze at the same time. This phenomenon is known as the triple point, where water simultaneously exists in all 3 states: solid, liquid, and gas. It sounds impossible, but it's a real concept in physics and has been successfully demonstrated in laboratories. It's one of those rare natural occurrences that shows just how strange and fascinating science can be. 9. A day on Venus is longer than its year. On Earth, we're used to a day lasting 24 hours, but on Venus, things are wildly different. A single day on Venus, meaning one full rotation on its axis, takes 243 Earth days, while its orbit around the Sun, its year, only takes 225 Earth days. That means a year on Venus is actually shorter than a day. If you lived there, you'd literally celebrate your birthday before you ever saw the sunset. It's a mind-bending example of how different time can behave on other planets. 10. Sharks are older than trees. Sharks are among the oldest living creatures on Earth, having existed for over 400 million years, long before the first trees appeared around 350 million years ago. That means sharks were swimming in ancient oceans even before forests began to grow on land. They've survived multiple mass extinction events, adapting through time and continuing to dominate the oceans as top predators. Their ancient origins, resilience, and fierce nature make them one of the most remarkable survivors in the history of life on Earth. Which one of these facts blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another mind-bending video.